Hey, happy Thanksgiving to everyone that's watching, but I'm also going to be doing Black Friday, of course, but rather than show you the big box stores and what Walmart's doing or something, you can always check over there at the Den of Tools. Jeff King, he's always up to date on all the big box store stuff. So I wanted to show you the 3D printing stuff and some of the other tool areas that we deal with, and I'm really going to start with something odd. So let's get started with Geekbuying.com. Yeah. Yeah, Geekbuying.com. It's one of the places I like to go and check prices because they have flash sales and deals all year round anyways, but they also have Black Friday, of course, which is always, you know, a big thing for electronics or TVs. In this case, if you're looking for a 3D printer, this is a great place to check out and just check to see if they have the one you want, and chances are they'll have a great deal on it. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to cover this really quickly. At the bottom in the description below, I'm going to put all the coupon codes that will get you different amounts of discounts off of a price of a purchase at geekbuying.com. Great place to go on a Black Friday. Now, let's go to Vevor. Yes, it's Black Friday at Vevor. It was one of my favorite crazy off-the-wall places, but it's where tough tools at half prices. It's kind of the Harbor Freight Online kind of thing, but it's a really cool outfit. And they do industrial, they do commercial, and they do consumer stuff. And it's everything from restaurant, agricultural, and mechanical tools, professional, non-professional, whatever. It's just a lot of different things. Welding equipment is really cool with them. Great prices, really interesting machines. And they put their name on it, which I've always said, okay, if you put your brand name on it, I'm in. Anyways, I wanted to show you this first thing. We'll bring this in next week. We'll have it here and we will do a review on it. But this was just an interesting item because that is a great price. Yeah. Just a quick sample of some of the CNC machine. Cool, you know, they've got that welder, that is an unbelievable price. And also, look at the hammer drill. The hammer drill, that is an amazing price. Plus, they also have a 200 amp welder, same thing, on sale, stick welder, you know. I threw the pizza oven in because I just thought, yeah, everybody likes pizza, but the point is, they just have so much stuff on Black Friday, and clearance. So even clearance sometimes, you know, good place to look for a deal on something. Now, the next thing that Vevor wanted me to show you for this week was a review, well, the Black Friday deal on the thickness planer. And also that sort of threw me off because I was looking at all their tools. There's just so much stuff, you know, that they're having these different deals on right now. And the thickness planer is here. It's been here for a while. We got rid of the DeWalt. We switched to the Vevor. A couple of reasons. One is the price. Half the investment for the same tool for me was like, yeah, I'll have the Vevor in here and forget that DeWalt machine. Alrighty, you know, I'm on it. Yeah, so the thickness planer is supposed to be part of that Black Friday thing. I don't see the Black Friday price on it right now, but they're switching out over the next 24 to 48 hours or whatever with different things. It'll be Black Friday, so I can only say, well, this is what we're going to do. I will put links in the description below for the Black Friday things that Vevor has told me about, and you guys can, you know, have at it at that point, because I'm getting confused and lost over what is and is not on sale for Black Friday. There's also some coupon codes and whatever else in there, so I'll put it all in the description below, so that way we can all, you know, check it out. Especially if you're interested in a certain tool or something, you might want to check Vevor and see their price, because, you know, they have some good stuff. They have good deals every day. You know, they don't have to have Black Friday for a good deal at a Vevor, but you know, Black Friday, hey, you know, that's the time to grab usually. The King Rune 3D printer, same thing. King Rune's got some stuff going on. I will put a link in the description below for the King Rune 3D printer stuff too, because apparently they're having some kind of Black Friday sales. There's Black Friday sales across the board. It seems like everybody's got it, and it was just like, how do you cover all that? You can't, you know. So the other thing I wanted to do today, anyways, was to put this up and give this to a viewer. So we will do a contest for a viewer for this. Yeah, you know, good old draw. I love the tool draws. Let's do that. Oh, had to go find it. Yeah. This is the tool right here. It's the cordless rotary tool from Tech, and it is really nice. It also comes with a bunch of accessories here, so you don't have to really buy anything for accessories. You've got everything you need here. It charges on a USB, goes up to 30,000 RPM. So it comes in this great little case, and it will be in this nice little box. Now, how do we get in on all that? Okay, well, what we're gonna do is we send us, to get in on a contest draw for this, send us an email to CTrewards@gmx.com. 1 entry per household. Now, at the top of your email, in your subject line, you write DEP, D-E-P, and just like Johnny Depp, right? Yeah. Now, in the body of the email, all you have to do is your name and your address, like you're doing a postal return code or return address, whatever. Yeah, that's it, and we'll make up tickets out of everybody's emails, and we'll draw here on the show out of the coffee can or whatever, and somebody will get a nice rechargeable Depth Tech rotary tool from them. Meantime, I will provide a link in the description below where you can find this guy, because he does come in from Amazon, I believe, the link. Yeah, so that would be really cool, because I really like when you can order something from Amazon, and if you don't like it within, was it so many days or something, you can send it back. I think it's 30 days or something. But the nice thing with Amazon too is that it comes right to the house, it's at the door, bang, you got it, kind of thing. And it's usually fast, let's face it, a day or two sometimes, and wow, it's there, So in the meantime, I want to again thank everybody for watching the show, but I also want to say again, happy Thanksgiving. And this is a short one because, yeah, I'm going to be eating some turkey. Meantime, hopefully we'll see you Monday for a review on the Vevor sanding disc machine. Thank you for watching Coffee and Tools. Please like, share, subscribe, and ring the little bell. And I'm out of here. Over and out.